We know that for a LED to glow, a minimum voltage should be applied across its terminals. So, if the LED is not glowing, we have to measure its voltage. And how do we do that? Yes, we will use a multimeter. It can also measure amps and resistance. You need a maximum of 20 V to measure voltage in LEDs. So, connect the terminals of the multimeter across the 2 points. It shows less than 1 volt. It's not about the LED's voltage, it's about the batteries.
Measuring the battery's voltage.
It's a drained battery. So, we will just replace the battery. And now it works.
YuviPep powering innovation.